Hello students, good morning all of you. I Rabindra Mohan Mishra from Sri Jagdamba Sanskrit College Batho. I am taking the class of Shastri second. Today we see the precious writing. Earlier we have also seen many precious writings. As we know, it is of 10 marks. It is more valuable for us. Today's paragraph is: if there is life, there will be sufferings and sorrows. Life is not a bed of roses. It often appears to be a crown of thorns. There can be no roses to be a crown of thorns. There can be no roses without thorns. Our life is so complex that it has a simultaneous process of sorrow and joy, happiness and unhappiness. However, we should not be sad over this. Life is like a looking glass. If you smile, it smiles, and if you frown, it frowns back. It is the color of your glass that creates the color of the life you look at. Life has been said to be a tragedy for those who feel, and a comedy for those who think. It is like a rainbow of different colors and shapes, but it is our attitude to life that makes life either a comedy or a tragedy. First of all, we count all these verses, then we divide it by 3. How many verses? Then we should have to write all these in so many verses after dividing 3. First of all, we should have to give a proper title of it. After counting all the verses, we find that there is 140. Then 140 is divided by 3. It will be near about 47 words. So we should have to write this paragraph into 47 words. First of all, we write the title of the paragraph. Title will be Importance of Importance of Life. This is our paragraph, title of the paragraph. Then we should have to write the preface of the given paragraph. Preface will be: life is a rainbow of sorrow and joy. Sorrow and joy. Misery, misery and pleasure. Happiness and unhappiness. It has comedy and tragedy. We have to face the problem. we have to face the problem, but we should always we should always look we should always look at the bright side, at the bright side of life to enjoy it to the maximum. Our attitude, our attitude of life should be positive. Positive. Our attitude. Then we should have to count the words 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Near about it is 48. Total words